Hello, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews back with another video. And today we still have the Google Pixel 8a and we're going to talk about cases by Crave. Now, before we get into it, I want you to please like and subscribe to this channel. Once again, we thank you for stopping by. But today we are going to get into cases by Crave. Now, just a disclaimer, I have been paid for these cases. So this is a sponsored video and they wanted me to show you the cases that they have for the Google Pixel 8a. But let's go ahead and get started and jump right in. So the first thing we're going to do is unbox all of the cases here. They're pretty much the same case. It's just in different colors, just to show you the different offerings. I'm also going to show you the cutouts and make sure that everything is working properly on the Google Pixel 8a, see if it wirelessly charges with no obstruction. But let's go ahead and get started. And we're going to start with the green one. So I already have this prepped up and this is what it looks like when you open up the box. So this is an ultra slim design and it has shock absorption and it's very premium quality and it has precise cutouts. And as you can see, it does have this kind of like dual color display here, and then inside this is where you'll see the shock absorption, and this is kind of a combination of a tactile, and you can see the perforated back here, but it does have somewhat of a hard silicone feel to it, and then you can see kind of the cutouts right here. So this is a very simple design, but very sturdy. But we're going to go ahead and take a look and slap it on there. So I have the bay color Google Pixel 8a, and this is what it looks like when you put it on. So as you can see, all of the buttons are on the side, they work, and they're very tactile. And then you can also see that it has a power button that works pretty good. Turn that on. And let's go ahead and look at the side. See the double case here, and then it has a cutout for your reception. Then you also have your green and black lip here, and it does have adequate protection right there. As you can see, the lip of it, it's very protected. I even have a glass case on there, so no obstructions, no moving around with your glass case. So it is on there nice and snug. And as you can see in the camera housing, since the camera on the Google Pixel 8a is very flat to the phone, you can kind of see that it's buried in kind of like this housing right here. So there's a huge lip that goes right above it to make sure that it doesn't hit anything when it falls. And it's flat, so you don't see any kind of like rocking motion. And then let's go ahead and check to see how it wirelessly charges with the case on. So here it is, my trusty OnePlus wireless charger. Voila, it works. So that's the green color, but we got 3 other colors to see what it looks like, see what you can match up with. Let's try the red one. So I'm a fan of, colors, mixing colors. So let's see if this actually looks good. All right, so this is what the red one will look like. So this one has the same protection and it's just red. And it kind of has a Superman effect. And it has the perforated, back with the silicone hard case. And that's what it kind of feels like. So very sturdy, looks great. So that one is the red, and actually feels really good in the hand. It doesn't feel like it's going to slip. So this part right here is the rubberized edge where you can kind of grip the phone and not feel like it's going to slip out of your hand. Buttons are snappy. And then it also has this raised kind of area right here for your reception. Make sure you're not blocking any calls. But that's the red case. All right, so let's talk about the aqua case. Let's see what that looks like. So the red case looks pretty good. Green case, I'm a huge fan of. Here's the aqua case. So this one has aqua on the outside, and it has kind of a marine green right here. Let's go ahead and slap that in there. Ooh, okay. So this is kind of has like a Tampa Bay Rays colorway, where it's kind of the dark green and the aqua. So this is definitely Florida friendly, kind of a water aqua area flavor here. So that's what it looks like with the Bay color Google Pixel 8a. Nice. All right, let's talk about the slate. So this is your gray colorway, or they call it slate at Crave. Go ahead and slap it in there. Very nice. So I'll post a link on the description of this video where you can actually purchase it. I bought this from Amazon, but if you use the link below, that really helped me out a lot. And these cases each are like $15.99, so you're not gonna break the bank with it. And it looks nice and it protects your phone, including the camera housing right here. But let me know what you think. I mean, I got the slate, I got the aqua, I got the red, and I got the green. Okay, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, but thank you for stopping by. Once again, this is Julian with Julian Tech Reviews. Please like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you for all the support and look forward to more videos. Thanks, bye.